Hey everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Aisha Loves Makeup. Today is another unboxing video. I did a little online shopping at Ulta.com. If you guys want to know what I got when I was shopping, stay tuned. Alright guys, so today I went to the mail and I got another package. Surprising, a shocker, right? I got this Ulta package in the mail. Yay! So excited. It's the small things in life that make me happy. So let's dig in and see what I got. All right, so the whole reason for me doing this online shopping at Ulta was because I wanted to get the 24A Artist Palette, and this is in collaboration with Sweetie, and I was gonna get this prior to them doing like the whole lockdown and I'm closing all the stores, but I never got a chance to get around to it, and then by the time it was time to get it, it was too late. So I'm like, let me just wait until the stores open and I'll get it. But like, it's been like weeks since stores have been open, and I'm like, let me just get the palette online and get it shipped to me. So this was the whole reason what got me into trouble in the first place was this palette. So let's see if it was worth it. But this is the palette, what the box looks like. And this is the first time Morphe has partnered with somebody who is not an influencer. So the package looks just like the actual box. They look like just like each other. So that's the outside. And then this is the palette. I'm just going to cover the mirror with the box. So this is what it looks like. Ooh la la. Very, very, very nice. This is like a So Me palette. Like a So Me palette. So I am not going to lie. I did open this up because I couldn't wait. This is the only thing I actually opened. But like I couldn't wait to see it before filming. So I did open this. And I actually do have one, two of the shadows. So I have Wild Out, which is this color right here. I have that color on. It's like a bronzy orange. And then I put Desert Vibes, this one right here. I have that on in my crease. This palette is like, I am not scared to wear makeup. I'm not scared to wear colors. I love like the purple, the pink, the bronze, the lilac. Like, I love this palette. I'm definitely going to get a lot of use out of it. And I feel like it has like a lot of nice summer colors. It's giving me summer vibes with like the fun, bright colors. Everyone's been saying that they did this palette for like Coachella because it has like Spotlight Staler has like a whole bunch of stars in it. I don't know if you guys can see. See all the little stars? Yeah, so... But obviously Coachella got canceled because of everything that's going on. But I'm very excited to use this. The pigmentation of the glitter is not that pigmented. So just make sure that you put like the color underneath first and then the sparkle on top. Because I didn't really have like a shadow on. And I had to really pack on to get like this look that I have on right now. And I didn't do anything too crazy. I just put a whole bunch of the Wild 'N Out glitter all over my eyes. So, but had I known, I would have put it's called Get the Shot. I would have put this on top of my eyes first, so it would have been more pigmented. Or maybe even this one, I would have put all over my eyes. But I didn't know the pigmentation of the glitter, but I know for next time. So, very, very, very excited for this palette. So, that's palette number one. Then the other thing I got is the Morphe Jeffree Star eyeshadow palette. I wanted to get this palette, but like I don't know. You want to get things, but you don't get them. But this was actually a part of the Ulta sale that they had. So I was like, you know what? It's on sale. I'll get it. So it's funny. You may not buy nothing, but as soon as it's on sale, you're like, well, maybe I'll get it now. So that's pretty much why I got it. It was on sale. And this is... So the palette looks, I guess Morphe, they replicate the boxes because it looks just like the box. And let's see. Ooh. Yes. All right, so I'm going to cover the mirror so there's no reflection. I'm sure you guys all know what this compact looks like already, because this compact is not, this eyeshadow palette is not new, but like I never got a chance to get it, so it's new to me. So I'm just going to show you guys because I'm so excited to get it. I love pink. Pink's my favorite color, so I had to get it. I had to get it. I haven't tried any of Jeffree Star's eyeshadow palettes as of yet, so I don't know how this is going to look or the pigmentation. I mean, everyone who's bought his palette has loved them, so I'm excited to try his palettes and see for myself how I like them or not. So stay tuned for that. All right, so what else did I get? So along with the Sweetie collection, I want to try the Morphe Sweetie Spray. So it's called Sweet Peach by Sweetie Continuing Setting Mist. And I guess it's supposed to smell like peach. So I honestly don't really like the Morphe setting sprays as much because they're like a light mist. And I like to be like drenched in my setting spray. But I mean, I guess if it's really, really hot, it's good to have those type of setting sprays. So summer is coming up. If it ever does get hot, at least I don't have to worry about like being drenched with a setting spray. So this is like a nice light. If you like a lightweight spray where you barely feel it and it dries down really fast, and you'll like these sprays. So I figured for the summertime, this will be good. In winter, I do like a more hydrating setting spray. So this is my first impression because I didn't try this out. So let's see what this smells like. It doesn't make a sound when you shake it, but let's see. Mmm. It smells just like a peach. Yeah. Smells very nice. Smells very nice. Let's see if it leaves my skin drenched. Oh, it gives me like a nice little glow. A nice little dewy do. I like it though. Smells great. Let me see if it's sticky. No, it feels just like the other spray that, like the original spray. Okay, very nice, very nice. Okay, I see a little glow going on. All right, Aisha, we see you glowing. All right, anyway, back to my haul. So as you guys all know, the nail salons are closed. Only essential workers are open, such as like the supermarkets, post office. So I've been doing my own nails, and I'm very proud of myself. Like, look at me. You know, I'm doing my thing with my new thing is press-on nails. So this is press-on nails. And I like them short. Lately, I've been doing them short because they don't break as much as the longer ones. So I had longer ones in my previous video, but those kept like coming off. So the trick is to get them tiny. I know, like, you know, as us being like beauty influencers and beauty gurus, like we want it big, long, and flashy, but that's for when we can actually get them done professional. When you get them long and then really like glued on, they're not going to stay, unfortunately. But these stay on a very long time. So Ulta, these were on sale on the Ulta website. These are the press-on manicures. So these are cool because you don't need glue. And I feel like when I do press-on nails, the ones with the glue, it messes up my nails. But this is just like a little gel thing on the back that you just press down, and they stay on pretty nice, I must say. So if you're interested in doing your own nails, don't be afraid to try these press-on nails. I love like bright colors for summer, so I'm going to do a fun like corally, like, as a matter of fact, everything's like nice and corally. This collection is all like corally, so I did not plan that, but I'm excited to try this this orange look. But they're very nice. They're very nice. And this is like nice and chic. You know, I'm not going out anywhere. I'm home, so I don't need anything too flashy. But these were on sale. All the good ones were sold out. Like this was like one of the few that was left. But I was lucky to get this. So that's going to be another one of my projects when I'm done with these. And then everything else is more like replenishment, which is not like fun and exciting, but I'll show you guys anyway. So, you guys know from my other videos, I love the Bare Minerals Chai Foundation. So I just bought like a replenishment on this. This is what I use every day. This is like my holy grail foundation. And then I also bought another Too Faced Diamond Light. This is like my favorite like highlighter for my cheek. I'm not gonna open it because it has a seal on it, so I just brought the one that I already have so you guys can see what it looks like when you take it out this box. It's a box in a box. So this is the box that is inside, and it looks like so. So it's so pretty. It reminds me of like a jewelry box, right? It's giving you like, will you marry me? Giving you jewelry box vibes. I have it on my cheeks today, just like I have blush, but I just put a little bit over. It just gives you like a nice glow. This is a staple. I always get compliments when I wear this, so I always just buy backup. So, that's everything I got in my box. So I hope you guys liked my unboxing video. Stay tuned for more unboxings. Stay tuned for more subscription boxes. Stay tuned for more content. I got a lot of fun stuff coming up soon. So if you haven't already, please like, comment, subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.